హాయ్ అండి, అందరూ బాగున్నారు అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఈరోజు ఫిజిక్స్లో ఫైనల్ టచ్ అంటే డిలీటెడ్ సిలబస్ తీసేసి ఇంగ్లీష్ మీడియం వాళ్ళకి లెసన్ వారీగా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అయిన క్వశ్చన్స్ని ఒక మెటీరియల్లా తయారు చేశారు. సో అందులో ఉన్నవి మీకు నేను చూపిద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. ఫిజిక్స్ లెసన్ వారీగా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అయినవి అనమాట. చూద్దాం. ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ లెసన్ వచ్చేసరికి హీట్. అందులో 1 మార్క్ క్వశ్చన్స్. నేను మీకు క్వశ్చన్స్ చదువుతాను, ఇక్కడ ఆన్సర్స్ కూడా ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడ నేను మీకు క్వశ్చన్స్ చదువుతాను అన్నమాట. చూడండి ఒకసారి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ హీట్ అండ్ టెంపరేచర్? కన్వర్ట్ 20 degrees centigrade into Kelvin scale. Net heat loss by the hot body equal to net heat gain by the cold body. Above statement indicates the principle. Write the name of the principle. ఇది 2019లో అడిగారంట. The temperature of the two cities at different times are given as follows. Time A, B at 6 a.m., at 11:30, at 6 p.m. Temperatures ఇవ్వడం జరిగింది. సెంటిగ్రేడ్స్లోను కెల్విన్లో ఇచ్చారు. Based on the above table, answer the following questions. In which city the morning temperature at 6 o'clock is relatively high? At what time both cities are having an equal temperature? Next, what is meant by absolute temperature? And write the relation between kinetic energy and absolute temperature. Define calorie. A. Samosa appears to be cool outside, but it is hot when we eat it. Why? What is the relation between specific heat and rate of rise in temperature? In specific heat affected by mass? నెక్స్ట్ 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అండి. ఈ లెసన్లో మనకి 2 మార్క్స్ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నమాట ఇవి. రైట్ ద ఫార్ములా ఫర్ స్పెసిఫిక్ హీట్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ ద టర్మ్స్ ఇన్ ఇట్. 3 ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ A at 30 degrees centigrade, B at 303 Kelvin and C at 420 Kelvin are in thermal contact. Then answer the following questions. Which are in thermal equilibrium among A, B and C? From which object to another object heat energy transferred? A and B are in thermal equilibrium because their temperatures are the same. Answer కూడా చదివినట్టున్నాను నేను ఇక్కడ. చూడండి ఒకసారి. What would be the final temperature of a mixture of 550 grams of water at 20 degrees centigrade temperature and 50 grams of water at 40 degrees centigrade temperature? Next, observe the following table. Substance, specific heat, lead, brass, iron, aluminum, kerosene, water. Specific heat 0.031, 0.092, 0.115, 0.21, 0.5 and 1. From the above table, whose temperature rise fastly and whose temperature rise slowly? If specific heat is high, the rate of rising. So answers అవుతున్నాను నేను. What roles does specific heat capacity play in watermelon to keep it cool for a long time after removing it from a fridge on a hot day? A and B are two substances. Their temperature is given in different cases. ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చారండి A and B 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By using the above information, answer the following questions. In which of the cases A and B are thermal equilibrium? Why? In which of the cases the heat will be transferred from A to B? In which of the cases the heat will be transferred from B to A? Next, frame any 2 questions between the concepts of heat and temperature. Observe the following table regarding the values of specific heat and substances and answer the following questions. Copper 0.095, iron 0.115, aluminum 0.21, water 1. Which material is suitable as the base of the cooking vessel? Why do we prefer water as a coolant? What is meant by thermal equilibrium? Give examples. Now 4 marks questions. How do you appreciate the role higher specific capacity value of water in stabilizing atmospheric temperature during winter and summer seasons? Explain the procedure to find the specific heat of solid experimentally. And what is the principles of methods of mixtures? And what would be the final temperature of mixture of 60 grams of water at 50 degrees centigrade and 500 grams of water at 70 degrees centigrade? Answer the following questions by using the data given in the table. Substance, specific heat. What is the SI unit of specific heat? Based on specific heat values, arrange the substance given in the ascending order. If we supply the same quantity of heat, which substance will heat faster? Calculate the amount of heat required to rise the temperature of 1 kg of iron through 10 degrees centigrade. Observe the following table regarding the values of specific heat of substances and answer the following questions. Copper, iron, aluminum, water. Write the SI unit of specific heat. Which metal do you prefer use the bottom of the cooking vessel? How much energy is required to rise the temperature of 1 gram of water by 1 degree centigrade? From the table, write on the factors does the specific heat depends upon. Next, half mark questions. Three bodies A, B and C are in thermal equilibrium. The temperatures of B 45 degrees centigrade. Then what is the temperature of C? The temperature of steel rod is 330 K. Write the temperature in centigrade. Boiling point of water 100 degrees centigrade. Freezing point of ice. Choose the correct statement of the following. The CGS unit of specific heat is joule per gram degree centigrade. Boiling point of water at normal atmospheric pressure is 100 degrees centigrade or 373 K. Ice floats on water because of its high density. The specific heat of substance depends on temperature, mass, nature, all the above. Which of the following has more specific heat values? Kerosene oil, iron, copper, water. What is the SI unit of temperature? What would be the final temperature of mixture of 60 grams of water at 40 degrees centigrade temperature and 60 grams of water at 80 degrees temperature? Write the specific heat value of ice. Write the formula for specific heat. Find the odd one of the following. Kelvin, joule, heat, kilogram, heat. Heat repeat అయింది. Why water is used as a coolant in a nuclear reactor? What is the normal temperature of human body? On what factors does the rate of rise in temperature depends? What are the required apparatus to prove the relation between kinetic energy and absolute temperature? Next lesson అండి. Acid, bases and salts. 1 mark. Which gas is usually liberated when an acid reacts with a metal? What are antacids? What are alkalis? Why pickles and sour substances are not stored in brass and copper vessels? On adding dilute hydrochloric acid to copper oxide powder, the solution formed is blue-green. Write the new compound formed. Or what happened when a metal oxide reacts with an acid. Take some water in a test tube and add concentrated H2SO4 to it. Shake the test tube well. If you touch the bottom of the test tube, you feel it as hot. Now instead of H2SO4, if you add NaOH pellets to water to another test tube and touch the bottom, what do you observe? Why does soil agricultural land get tested for pH? What are the difference between metals and non-metals with respect to the nature of their oxides? What is the test for hydrogen gas? Write the test for carbon dioxide gas. Next, 2 marks questions. What is the neutralization reaction? Give 2 examples. Why does the tooth decay start when the pH of the mouth is lower than 5.5? What are the colors of methyl orange and phenolphthalein indicators in acid and base solutions? Observe the information given in the table and answer the questions given below the table. Substance, blue litmus, red litmus, red, no change, blue, no change and no change. Which one of them may be neutral salt among ABC? What happens when some drops of phenolphthalein are added to the substance B? Write the reaction of carbonates with acids. Write the reaction of metal hydrogen carbonates with acids. And why does not distilled water conduct electricity? Why pure acetic acid does not turn blue litmus to red? 4 marks. Compounds such as alcohols and glucose contains hydrogen but are not categorized as acids. Describe an activity to prove it. A milkman adds a very small amount of baking soda to fresh milk. Why does he shift the pH of the fresh milk from 6 to slightly alkaline? Why does the milk take a long time to set as a curd? Write an activity to show the reaction of bases with metals. Next, prepare a table based on color change of acids, base of neutral solutions in red litmus paper, blue litmus paper, methyl orange and phenolphthalein indicators, acids, bases, salt. 5 solutions A, B, C, D and E when tested with universal indicators showed pH as 4, 11, 11, 7 and 9 respectively. Which solution is neutral, strongly alkaline, strongly acidic, weakly alkaline? Observe the following pH values and answer the following questions. Solution pH value: water 7.0, coffee 5.0, milk 6.5, blood 7.3, milk of magnesia 10.5, sodium carbonate. Which are basic in nature? Which are acidic in nature? Write the H plus ion concentration of water. Which is suitable to use an antacid? Now, half mark questions. What is the color of methyl orange indicator in an acidic medium? What is the color of phenolphthalein indicator in basic solution? A solution turns red, it must blue. What is the pH value? A solution reacts with the crushed eggshells to give a gas that turns lime water milky. The solution contains. What color would hydrochloric acid turn? Universal indicator. What types of medicines are used for treating indigestion? Which of the following is the most accurate way of showing neutralization? Acid plus base gives rise to acid base solution. Acid base gives rise to salt plus water. Acid plus base gives rise to sodium chloride plus hydrogen. Acid plus base gives rise to neutral solution. Acid plus base gives rise to salt plus water. Repeat ayindadi. When red litmus answer B anukunta. When red litmus paper is dripped in X solution, then litmus paper changes to blue color. What is the nature of the solution X? What is the reason for the whitening of the wall when wet lime is applied? Which of the following indicator is not acid base indicator? So చూడండి ఇక్కడ ఉన్నాయి. What is phenolphthalein, vanilla, litmus and methyl orange అంట. What gas is produced when magnesium is made to react with hydrochloric acid? If the pH of a solution is 13, then what is the nature of the solution? The solution turns red, it must blue. Its pH likely to be. The name for preferred when bases which are soluble in water. What gas is liberated when acids are react to carbonate and bicarbonates? Next, identify the paired pH values of strong and base in the following: strong acid and strong base 6, 14, 18, 7, 7, 2, 14. And the acid enter into our body, a honeybee stung. Match the following: pH range of acid solution, pH range of basic solution, pH range of neutral solution, pH range of body, pH value of blood 7.4, 0 to 7, 7 to 14, 7, 7 to 7 to 7.8. Match the following: strong acid, weak acid, strong base, weak base, neutral solution NaH4, NH4OH, NaOH, distilled water CH3COOH. Match the following: ants, lemon, milk, tomato, tamarind. అది టార్టారిక్ యాసిడ్, ఆక్సాలిక్ యాసిడ్, లాక్టిక్ యాసిడ్, సిట్రిక్ యాసిడ్, ఫార్మిక్ యాసిడ్. టూ లెసన్స్ చెప్పానండి. సో నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో రిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ అట్ ప్లేన్ సర్ఫేసెస్ ఇలా లెసన్ వారీగా చెప్తాను. ఒక్కసారి మీరు ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ అన్నింటిని అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. ఈ క్వశ్చన్స్ మొత్తం చూసుకొని చదవడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. మీ మెటీరియల్స్లో ఉండే ఉంటాయి, మీకు ఆల్రెడీ కొన్ని తెలిసే ఉంటాయి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.